Hello friends, if you are facing this error while updating or not installing the new version, that is KB5053657 in Windows 11, how can you solve it? I will show you in this video. I want to tell you that to save your precious time, I will not make this video longer, and that's why I won't show you this practically, but still I will give you some points that you can follow step by step and your problem will be solved. So first let's start with the basic troubleshooting, that is restart your computer, go to start, press power button, then restart your computer. Then check for sufficient disk space. For that, open File Explorer, then right click your C drive and select Properties. Then verify available space. After this, ensure a stable internet connection. Try browsing website to confirm connectivity. Then consider restarting your router. After, run Windows Update Troubleshooter. Go to Settings, then Systems, then click on Troubleshoot, then click Other Troubleshooters. After this, click Run next to Windows Update. After these basic troubleshootings, come to point number 2, manual download and installation. Go to the Microsoft Update catalog, open a web browser and go to www.catalog.update.microsoft.com. Search for KB5053657, type into the search bar and press enter. Download the correct version. Find the update corresponding to your Windows 11 version, that is 23H2 or 22H2, and architecture of this size or ARM64. Then click to the download button. After this installation, install the downloaded file. For that, locate the download.msu file, then double click it to start the installation. Follow the on-screen prompts, then restart your computer. Reset Windows Update components. For that, open Command Prompt as administrator. Search for CMD in the Start menu, then right-click Command Prompt and select Run as administrator. Stop Windows Update services. Type the following commands and press enter after each. These are the commands. You can pause the video and type them. Rename software distribution and cat root to folders.